Good morning, everyone. Hope you are all doing well. In our previous class, we have done bit third. Today, we will be doing bit fourth and fifth, addition and subtraction sums. Let's start. Now, children, we are doing fourth bit, addition sums. Add the following. Okay, this is from money chapter. So, 45 rupees and 20 paisa, 25 rupees and 50 paise. So, always start from ones place. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 5 is after 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now 5 plus 5 is 10. So how do you write 10? 0 comes on this place, 1 goes carry over to the next place. Okay. Now 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 2, 6, 7. So 70 rupees and 70 paise. Now here on ones place you have 5 and 6. 70 rupees and 25 paise, 20 rupees and 36 paise. So 5 plus 6 how many? After 5 take out your 6 fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how do you write 11? 1 here on ones place, 1 carry over to tens place. Now 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Right? Now here 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 2 after 7, 8, 9. Okay? Now 5 plus 0 is 5 only. Here count after the big number 7 plus 3. After 7, 8, 9, 10. So how do you write 10? You cannot write 10 complete here. So 0 comes here on this place and 1 goes to hundreds place here. Okay? 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. Now 6 plus 2, after 6, 7, 8. One more sum I will show you, the other two sums you do on your own. Now 6 plus 4, after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 comes on one's place and 1 goes to tens place. 8 plus 1 is 9. Right? Now 1 plus 0 is 1 and 7 plus 2 after 7, 8, 9. Okay? So this is homework you do on your own very carefully. Now fifth bit, subtract the following. This is from measurement chapter. So let us do 35 meter and 20 centimeter minus 10 meter and 15 centimeter. So from 0, 5 will go? No. From 0, no number. We cannot subtract any number from 0. So we need to borrow from tens place. 1 you are taking. This will become 10. And this will become 1. Right? First you change the numbers. Now 10 minus 5 is after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 is left here. Okay, 1 minus 1 is 0. Now 5 minus 0 is 5 number, the same number will come. Okay, 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, it's very easy, please do very carefully. Now 4 minus 4, if both the numbers are same, what you will get? You always get 0. Now 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, from 5, from small number, big number cannot go. So we need to borrow from the next place. It will become 15 and this will become 6. Right? To after 7 till 15 you count. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many you are getting? 8 you are getting here. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Now 6 minus 4, 50 kg and 86 gram minus 25 kg and 54 gram. So 6 minus 4 is after 4, 5, 6. 2 is left here. Now 8 minus 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 is left here. Okay. Now here again from 0, can we subtract 5? No. So we need to borrow from here. It will become 10 and this will become 4. It will be 1 less, right? Now 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. One more sum I will show you. 72 kg 51 gram minus 40 kg 25 gram. Okay, from 1 5 will go. No, from the small number we cannot subtract a big number. So we need to borrow from here. This will become 11 and this will become 4. Right? Now count after 5 till 11. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 is left here. Now 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. Now 2 minus 0 is nothing. So the same number will come. 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 4, after 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 is left here. Now these two sums you do on your own. Okay. Thank you. We will meet in our next class. We will do 6th bit.